Watch out now, watch out, watch out now. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. Got another video, man. Let me turn that around so y'all don't see that address. Got another video, man. So I went and purchased something from Walmart today. Well, not today, but it's been a couple of weeks now. But I wanted to review it with you guys. So what I got was this 12 volt max tool combo kit, cordless drills. Didn't really need these, but I got them anyway. Reason I purchased them because they'll be good for like working on automotive stuff or just working on small stuff in the house, you know. So you're not lugging around a big, you know, big 18 or 20 volt drill. So these are small 12 volt drills. I'm gonna just do a review and see what we got. Bam! Alright guys, welcome back. So right now we're just gonna do this unboxing. We don't need this anymore. I'm gonna throw that on out of the way. Let's get this unboxing. And this is the Hyper Tough brand, which is the Walmart brand. So it's nothing special. And I think that both of them together was like $36. And I think it should come with the drill, the impact, and one battery for $36. And this is the brushless. No, this is the brush. I think the brushless was a little bit more expensive. This is the brush version. So I know I may have some people that say, oh, you should have just got brushless. I mean, for as much times as I'll be using it, brush is fine for $36 for impact and a drill. So this is the impact and that's the drill. It comes with the instructions balled up, which we're not going to use. It also comes with other tools that's compatible with it. Got a light, got some kind of rotary tool there, a wrench, and of course the impact and drill. It also comes with a charger, but you got a charger there. But guys, it comes with a drill and an impact, but it only comes with one battery. But the week after I bought the product, I went in my local Walmart and I found a 12 volt battery, which would go with these two. And it was on sale for $8.94. And I think originally it's like $18, $17, something like that. So I found it for $8.94 in my local Walmart. So make sure you go down the clearance aisle in your local Walmart, your local stores, no matter if it's Walmart, any kind of store. Check out the clearance products because they may have good products that just might have a damaged box. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and unbox this and open this one up. And like I said, guys, this extra battery here did not come with this kit for $36. The $36 kit only came with one battery. So I'll put this battery in here. Now I don't know if these batteries are charged up or anything. I just opened it. But we're gonna go ahead and get on with a review, guys. But this is the impact. I mean, it doesn't sound that powerful, but it's 12 volts. You got your different clutch settings. Yep. But all right, guys, we'll go ahead and get set up and we'll get to the first obstacles. I'll be right back. Bam, guys, we're back. All right, so I got a couple of screws here. I got a 3-inch screw here, which I got 4 3-inch screws here. And I got a couple of 1 inch and 5/8 screws right here. So I'm gonna just run these down, run them down and run them out with the drill. And then I'll go back with the impact, run them in and run them out. And we'll just to give you a little demonstration of, you know, something that it possibly could do. So here we go. And mind, I didn't charge any of these batteries yet. I'm just going based off of what it is. And I didn't notice it has a light, but the light doesn't stay on after you release the trigger. The light only comes on once the trigger has been pushed. So the light only comes on once the trigger is engaged. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to go get a better bit. So I'm gonna just take these out and then we'll start back over. All right, so here's the drill. And we're just gonna run these screws down just to give you a glimpse of, you know, what it's capable of doing. The head of that one is already messed up. All right, now guys, we'll just go ahead and try the impact. Just do the same thing. Well, let's strip that one out. Since that's my only 3-inch screw with a good head on it, and I take it back out and put it in this part with a knot in it that swell up, which most of the time the swell up pieces are the pieces that's gonna be the toughest to drill through. It's hot. All right, guys, I mean, it went through it. It struggled a little bit, but it did it. Next test, it's going to be drilling a hole, and we're going to be using the drill for that. We're not going to use the impact. So let's go ahead and switch to that. And I just have a 1/4-inch drill bit here. I was going to do the spade bit, but not going to make it struggle too bad. So we got a piece of 4x4 here. Just going to drill a couple of holes through it. But first, let's start on the 2x4. And that was a 4x4 that we were drilling or running those screws in. Let's try this piece of 4x4. I mean 2x4. do one more, guys. All right, now we're done a piece of 2x4. Let's just do a 4x4 piece. We'll do 2 of these and be done, because it's gonna probably struggle with this. All right, guys, now I won't knock the drill too bad because my drill bit is not that actual sharp, so I won't knock the drill bit too bad. All right, there's one. All right, guys, so basically that's the 12-volt drill and impact. Like I said, I just purchased this product basically to do small little ins and outs around the house and use it mainly to impact for like automotive work, like just working on the engine or changing valve cover gaskets, just doing small stuff. I think the impact is pretty strong enough to do, you know, the small things. The drill so much, I'm not really a fan of the drill. The drill did not impress me. And maybe if it had like a 2-speed selective option, that would be a little better, but the drill did not impress me. But the impact I definitely like the impact. And it's small enough to get in, you know, small, tighter, compact spaces. But, you know, buying these products, you won't be using these products to do, you know, big chores. These are just small little ins and outs around the house type of products for $36. I mean, you can't beat it. You got a drill that can drill, it just may take a little longer. You got an impact that will run bolts, screws, nuts, whatever you need in. That was just a little demonstration so you can see what it does and what you'll be, you know, looking forward to if you purchase this product. So remember, y'all, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. We love you guys, and we just ask that you just continually subscribe, share, like, and guess what, y'all? Peace.